Fetal Doppler, also known as fetal heart monitor or home fetal Doppler, is a medical device designed based on Doppler principle and is mainly used for home monitoring of fetal heartbeat. The device obtains fetal heart movement information through the abdominal wall of pregnant women, can record fetal heart rate and fetal movement data, and generate monitoring curves. It is suitable for pregnant women over 16 weeks of pregnancy. The recommended examination time is after 15 to 28 weeks of pregnancy.